Welcome to this demonstration of how to install and configure a System Weaver server. This video is for IT organizations who are new to System Weaver. The steps demonstrated are also outlined on our support portal in an article called Installing a New System Weaver Server. In this demonstration, we will cover downloading the software, installing the server, configuring the server, and configuring the log files. This demo covers the installation and configuration of the System Weaver main server application only. It's assumed that you are already familiar with the software and hardware requirements for the server application. If you're not, stop here and review them on the support portal. I recommend that you confirm that all requirements have been met before you proceed. The System Weaver delivery is a zipped file containing a number of folders with files in them. After downloading your delivery, move it from the Windows Downloads directory and place it on a local drive of the server machine, for example, the C drive. I suggest creating a directory called System Weaver and saving your deliveries in a subfolder called Deliveries. Extract the files from the zip file. All the files you'll need to prepare your System Weaver main server can be found in the server directory. Copy the server directory to the System Weaver folder. Then open the folder. It's important that all of the files in this installation remain together and are not modified in any way. The server application consists of two executables, SWDB server and Systemite System Weaver TCP subserver. In total, there are three configuration files: swserver.ini for the server configuration, and swserver.props, and systemite.systemweaver.tcp subserver.exe.nlog for server logging. These last two are optional but strongly recommended. If you don't see these three files in the server directory, you can find examples of them in the configuration files folder of your delivery. Copy and paste the examples into the server directory. Be sure to remove the .example suffix from the file names. The configuration files must be located in the same directory as the executables. Now let's complete the configuration. Starting with the swserver.ini, open the file with the text editor. The file has a number of settings which are all explained on the support portal. For this demonstration, we've set the required settings. They are database type, the data source, which is a valid path to and name of the database, and a port number. In this example, we have also enabled the DLQ file by setting DLQ equals true. This last one is not required but recommended for new installations. Any settings left blank or commented out will not be read. Be sure to save your changes. Now we'll move on to the configuration of the log files. When it comes to log files for all server-related applications, I recommend that you create a log files folder under your System Weaver directory and configure all server-related log files to generate there. You'll want to configure a log file for each of the two server executables. In a text editor, open the two log configuration files presented earlier. The only change that is needed is to set a valid path to where you would like the files to generate. Remember to save your changes. You're now ready to test your System Weaver server installation. Thanks for watching.